I will get back to making edited videos soon enough, I promise. And yes, I do have a t-shirt for every occasion. Thank you so much for asking. So I got this 3D printed model of Sarkastodon. As you probably know, Sarkastodon is a mammal, prehistoric extinct mammal. Had no videos on it whatsoever. And I was the very first one to make a video on it. So when I found this for sale on AliExpress, I knew I had to buy it. So I saw some of the, I don't think anybody else ordered Sarkastodon specifically from this 3D printing company off AliExpress. I saw some of the product images. They look pretty good. And what was not shown in like the... Wait, I saw the product images in the reviews, and some of them were painted. But the actual product images on the listing were not painted. They were just the 3D models in the rendering software. So I am curious on whether or not my Sarkastodon will be painted. There's tape. Gotta look inside my work bag. Here we go. Always keep a box cutter. You never know when you're gonna need it. Oh boy. The more and more I turn this and roll away the bubble wrap, I get less and less excited because I realize the thing is small. Why is it in two pieces? Ooh, nice. Okay, it is not painted, I think. Oh man, that is cool. Look at that. You know, I think I am going to have to make this an edited video, simply so I can show off this. Dude, I really love this, because it looks like a bear, but a tiger at the same time. Really reminds me of like a honey badger. Although it is not painted, Sarkastodon did not come painted. It's a tiny little thing, but it's also extremely detailed. So if any of you know more about 3D printing than I do, tell me whether or not it was worth the $30. Because it was on sale. The original price was $40. Oh man. And it comes with a base plate too. Alright, I see where I put it. I think. Yep. Look at that. Oh, let me get it. Ooh, it's real nice. Oh, it's not fitting in there quite right. Let me try to mess around with it to see how they get it right. All right, let me put him down. Now that we can see it, now, fuck. Now we can see it like under the light. Maybe I shouldn't do that. So yeah, it is very, very well detailed. I only have one other 3D printed figure. Let me reach for it real quick. Never mind. If I take it out, it's going to knock over another figure. There it is, a $18 3D printed Batman. Whoop. When I say that this like little Sarkastodon figure is small, I mean it. Like, here's a Lego minifigure for reference. It's small. I'm currently heating up the hot glue gun to stick it in place. I will continue recording once I do that. Alright, yeah, I hot glued it in place, so it should be drying like anytime soon. Overall, it is a really good figure, and I don't know much about 3D printing, so I don't know if it was actually worth $28, but just like looking at all like the details and intricacies, I'm pretty sure it is. I will be linking where I got it in the description, and as far as I know, this is one of only 2 Sarkastodon figures in the world, like 2 types. Me and anybody else who bought this one, that's like the one. But the very first Sarkastodon figure, as far as I know of, was the one made by Chance Givens. I will be linking him in the description. He actually did paint his, and it's a whole lot bigger than this one. He kind of painted it like a snow leopard. And that's one of the most interesting things about Sarkastodon. It looks like a bear, has a head the size of Arctodus, a body the size of a tiger, and despite being both bear-like and cat-like, its closest relative is the pangolin. So, yeah, that's going to wrap up this review. It's a very rubbery 3D printed material, very unlike the $18 Batman figure I got at Comic-Con. Bye.